schoolmates! I'm your schoolmate Dimple and right now we're here at Mandaluyong para tignan at samahan ang ating mga Eco Warriors with their Sustain Caravan. Kaya tara, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Samahan nyo na ako!
Welcome to Sustain Caravan!
This event mainly targets the Sustainable Development Goal number 12. Bale, ang gusto sana namin mangyari dito is to actually give a platform, a free platform for these local and sustainable businesses. And at the same time, gusto sana namin matarget yung mga sub-targets ni SDG 12, which is yung call for corporate responsibility, reducing food waste, or reducing waste in general. Ang mangyari dito, tuturuan namin sila about food waste and how to conserve energy and at the same time water din. For me, it is very important na as early as now, natututunan ng mga bata na magtipid ng tubig, magtipid ng kuryente kasi naniniwala ko na kapag yung maliit na bata, tinuruan mo yan ng isang bagay, madadala niya yan hanggang paglaki. And those small actions can turn into great results talaga. Some businesses, even big businesses, still use plastic. And it's very sad kasi yung mga maliliit ng businesses like yung in-invite namin dito, nagpi-paper packaging sila, why not yung mga bigger companies, di ba? By simply taking initiatives such as these projects. Kasi ito namang project na to, hindi naman niya kailangan ng power or position. Actually, I'm just a simple student from LPU Manila. Pero I took the initiative to spark change. Gumagamit kami ng 3Rs, sinusunod namin ng 3Rs. And for me, yung mga simple actions such as that one, malaki yung may tutulong niya sa environment kasi may mapupuntahan yung mga recyclables pa. And at the same time, hindi siya nahalo dun sa hindi na mare-recycle kasi may potential. There's so much potential in waste. Hi schoolmates, I'm inviting you to spark the change. You don't have to be at a position para mag-initiate ng pagbabago. Pero as simple as pag-take care ng environment natin sa pamamaraan ng 3Rs nga yung nabanggit kanina. And with that, in alignment of our event, let's train the present, sustain the future.
So Artisips is an eco-friendly business that offers glass straws with straw accessories. Paggamit ng glass straws can help lessen plastic straws not just inside the Lasallian community but also outside the school.
We are back to basics eco store. Ito po ay arapilak which made from flour sacks. Yan. Gawa po yan ng mga kababaihan sa Palawan. So this one naman is working moms. So handmade, yes, pads from upcycled mga fabrics. Yan din po. Ito galing din po sa Ilocos, which is the Weavers of Ilocos. And then yung etong chocolate natin is from farm to chocolate talaga siya. Gawa siya ng isang kooperatiba sa Rojas Capiz. And then we have wild honey from Palawan din. This is shampoo bars, organic shampoo bars. So ideal for travel siya, which hindi siya na spill sa luggage, which is organic po siya. And then ito din po, organic soaps made by women farmer from Dumingan, Zamboanga. From farm, silang gumagawa mismo ng kanilang mga sabon. Nakakatulong siya kasi wala tayong new packaging, wala tayong sachets, we don't use single-use plastic. So sa kalikasan po talaga, malaking naitutulong. And then malaki din na itutulong sa community, sa tao. Meron kami diyang board namin dyan, which is nagsasabi na it's good for the people, the pocket, and the planet.
Here in Sustain Caravan, hindi lang nila natulungan ang mga small business para kumita, but mas natulungan nila at naturuan ang community at ang mga tao in proper waste management. Kaya naman schoolmates, abangan pa ang mga susunod na youth programs till our next Schoolmates Campus Journal. I'm your schoolmate, Dimple. Bye!